Okay, so market's open, and first of all, I look at the S&P and the Nasdaq and the RSP. I'm looking at SPY, ETFs. You can look at SPX if you want. Anyway, what I can see is just like the market's going nowhere, at least for now. Just a consolidation, which would be perfect if you think that a nice high base or consolidation could keep happening for a few days, and then maybe a Santa Claus rally between November and December would be just perfect to play some trades. But we don't know. We're just gonna keep pulling back, or my hope is that we'll keep consolidating. That's what I hope. If you look at the Qs, same thing, nothing much changed. But if we look at the RSP, which is the equally weighted S&P 500, you can see that the situation is a bit different. Still, I think we're still going to be in a range, a larger range, not a base like you saw in the S&P and the Nasdaq, but still, we have a good support level here, you know. So you would think they would keep going in this range, but we'll see. But at the moment, this kind of situation, what I personally do, I just wait, usually until Wednesday when I have a clearer picture. It's not the best kind of market, but you can still doing things. You can definitely do things. So we're gonna wait and see what happens. Just because we're not putting on trade, this doesn't mean that we cannot have a look at these sectors to understand what sectors are weak, what sectors are strong, and if there is going to be any sector rotation, or if there's already a sector rotation in place. So the XLRE, the real estate sector, I mean, look at this. We've been in this same range for a very long time, from May till now. So just like a neutral stance here. Obviously you need to check individual stocks, but I wouldn't say nor bullish nor bearish, keep staying in a range. Look at consumer staples. They've been in a downtrend for a long time. They just went lower and lower. Still a good place to find bears. Be careful on a potential bear rally or a reversal. But if there is a bearish sector, that's consumer staples. You look at the XLV, which is the healthcare sector, still above the 50, still in an uptrend. We'll see what happens in this one. I wouldn't put on trade in this sector. Energy sector, it's literally neutral. It's in between the 20 and the 50. It's just staying there. Great if you are an option trader and look for neutral trades. Industrial, together with consumer cyclicals and tech, are the only ones that are above the 20, above the 50. They're still in a bullish trend. Again, we don't know what's going to happen. For consumer cyclical, we still have a previous resistance level. For the industrials, again, we keep staying in the same spot. I guess that the market is just waiting for some kind of catalyst again to make its move. Financial sector is below the 20, below the 50. You can see it's not a good sector to be in, but this is now in a very big support area, very magnetic level. So I will wait before going bearish on this one. And communication services, same. Basic materials, well, have you seen that gold after going parabolic for a long time just stopped? So a big part of it is in the sector. Yeah, looks bearish. And the utilities still above the 50 simple moving average, so I wouldn't put on a bear trade, but it lost a lot of strength and momentum. So we are in a limbo at the moment. And as I said before, we just wait, which is the better thing to do, the best thing to do, and see how the market develops.